Low down, Patreon gang. You know what I'm saying? I want to thank every single one of y'all boys who joined the Patreon. If you join the Patreon, you trying to take your game to a whole nother level. And I'm here to help you with that, you feel me? In today's video, I'm going to be teaching y'all how to slide in your future crush DMs. I'm going to give y'all 10 tips on how to slide in the DMs. Now, the first thing you gotta comprehend that it's 2023. The dawn of social media has changed on how we communicate. For younger guys, such as like middle school, high school, even college, this is very true, especially for dating. We gotta get one thing clear, Glow now. You always need to be a gentleman and have some type of pride about yourself. Don't be that weirdo that's up at like 1 a.m., 2 a.m. in the morning, just sliding in girls' DM. I don't know, I just feel like that's kind of cringy and that's like booty call hours, nigga. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, no. Now, step number 1 on how to slide in girls' DMs, respond to their story. Story replies are also a great way to message a girl on Instagram. That's what that platform is there for. You know what I'm saying? People can share updates about their life with anyone who follows them, you know, and people engage in them story posts and they also respond. Now, there's a right way and there's a wrong way to reply to a story. Now, some of y'all been showing me like screenshots of y'all sliding in DMs, and I'm gonna let y'all know something. Sending a girl emojis, fire emojis, the wink emoji, love face emoji, like that's cool and all, but that's not gonna get you far, my boy. You gotta understand that the same way you doing that, the same way thousands of niggas is going in her DMs just like that, my nigga. That's one thing you gotta comprehend in your mind. Your best bet is to reply to her stories where she got something going on. And always remember to be genuine. For example, if she posts a story going on a beautiful hike, don't be afraid to ask where she hiking at. And the same idea goes for if she's at a restaurant, and don't be afraid to ask what restaurant she's at either. The main thing you gotta do with the first step, you have to focus on things that you two have in common to establish a common ground with each other. Now, step number 2, you wanna be upfront. Now, another way to DM your crush on Instagram is to just be straightforward with them. Asking them out for a drink, coffee, dinner, or just to get to know each other aren't bad ideas at all. Now, if y'all met each other recently or y'all was at the same social event, the timing of this DM that you sent can also feel more sensational. Sometimes, Glow now, I just be straight up with it, like, girl, you fine as hell. If God created anything more beautiful on this earth, I hope he kept it for himself. Just like that. And I'd be like, look, I want to get to know you type shit. Just like that. You know what I'm saying? Don't steal my shit, cause that shit is trademark. I will sue your ass. No cap. Now, step number 3, you want to proofread your DM. Girls don't like no illiterate dude. You know what I'm saying? Now, if your grammar and spelling suck, you gotta work on that, my boy. So give your DM a proofread through before you send it. Now, step number 4, you gotta get the message. If she leaves you on red, my nigga, or if she hasn't opened the message for days, you gotta take the hint and move on, my boy. Don't hit her ass with no triple text, quadruple text, fifth text. Just go on about your business, bro. If she's for you, she's for you. But you gotta understand, there's hella niggas in her DMs, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's why I say you gotta come off as different, stand out in her DMs, bro. Step number 5 on how to slide in a girl's DMs. You don't wanna be weird. We all be lurking on people's pages, you know what I'm saying? We all gotta lurk and do our research on other people's social media. But you don't wanna make that too obvious, my boy. You know what I'm saying? I'll be weirded out if a girl DM me, she know all my favorite hobbies and food. I'll be like, oh, you been doing your own homework, huh, bitch? You really want a nigga, huh, bitch? You know what I'm saying? So don't be weird, you know what I'm saying? Be spontaneous, come off as new. Step number 6 on how to slide in girls' DMs. You wanna add some humor, be funny. Girls love funny niggas. This method is supposed to be fun and flirty for both parties. You know what I'm saying? There's not no job interview. You don't wanna just keep asking her questions. Actually, to be honest, if you ask me, I feel like step number 6 will be a great way to break a ice when sliding into the DMs. When you making a woman laugh, you can make a woman forget about all her problems. That makes her think of you more. She wanna be around you more because you bring her joy and happiness. You fulfill her day. Now, step number 7. Step number 7, take rejection with grace. You know, Jordan shot a lot of shots, but he missed a lot of shots, my nigga. You know, even I, Big Hunter Glow, has been rejected. Not a lot, but I have. If she's not interested in you and she says no, take it like a G, take it with some grace. You know how niggas be, bro. Niggas try getting on that with a female, bro. And the female like, I don't want you. And like, bye, bitch. I don't want your ugly ass anyway. Don't do that, bro. You lame as hell if you do that, bro. Because if she was ugly, why you trying to approach? You trying to fuck on an ugly bitch, my nigga. That says something about you. You fucking on ugly girls, my nigga. So take rejection with grace, my nigga. Take it like a G. Step number 8. I never experienced this, but a lot of y'all stories that y'all tell me, I feel like I have to throw this in there. Never DM a girl while drunk, bro. I've never been drunk in my life. I'd rather slide in girls' DMs off runts and weed than drunk as fuck. If you had a couple of drinks, you might suddenly get in that mood and start DMing shorty. You know what I'm saying? I feel like DMing a girl while drunk is like a recipe for disaster. And so I wouldn't recommend doing it. Step number 9 on how to slide in girls' DMs. Don't just comment on looks, bro. It's okay to give a girl a compliment, but you don't want to overdo it with the compliment. If someone is attractive, they definitely already know that they're attractive. Now, there's nothing wrong with giving out compliments. Just don't overdo it. Don't just make things about her looks, because then she gonna think you using her for her looks, trying to have sex with her. You know what I'm saying? Women want to feel special and validated for sure. You can compliment a woman, you know, on her career, her hobbies, her ambition, and other personal traits. You know what I'm saying? Try to compliment her personal traits, not just her looks. Women can know when you just trying to fuck, trust me. Now, the last step on how to slide in girls' DM, my nigga, you want to find common ground. Find it, you know what I'm saying? You want to find, like, if y'all two share the same hobbies, if she likes to go out and eat and you like to eat, see, you know what I'm saying, DM her, like, yeah, like, you know, I like this spot, I think I want to take it to this spot, you know what I'm saying, then you can take me to your favorite food spot, we can just, you know, grab and eat, you know what I'm saying, dinner, conversate, woo, you know what I'm saying, boom, that's common ground. Find common ground together that y'all share, or it could be on some yin yang shit, type shit, and y'all can do it on y'all date. But that's it for the video, Glow. I just gave y'all 10 tips on how to slide in your girl's DMs. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how it goes. I'm praying for y'all boys, man. I hope y'all find the right one that y'all looking for. If you have any DMs, DM me on my social medias, or you can DM me on Patreon, where I will reply back to y'all DMs. And if y'all have any subjects or topics y'all want me to touch, comment on this video or DM me on my social medias, and I'll make a video and I'll make it happen for y'all. I appreciate every Patreon member. I love y'all. Hope y'all have a peace, positive day. Peace, positive night. Tell your girls at the bad part because you don't do no more. Netflix, chill. What you got for that? Tell us our jacuzzi, you did. Love y'all boys. Okay.